sa drive-thru. Batam's McDonald. Drive-thru na lang. No? Today is the opening day. I was wrong, Mr. Aoi. I thought it would take 4 days more before they can complete this, but today is the opening. Yay! Today is the opening of McDonald's Philippines. McDonald's Philippines in our place. Food packages start at 149 pesos. Where's the drive-thru?
Hindi ko alam eh. Parking, drive-thru.
Bibidero, drive-thru. So big, Mr. Aoi. Oh my god. They're so great in finishing this one. So today I'm gonna go to Manila, so we cannot go inside. So then we will just go to the drive-thru. Jollibee. Ah, sorry, McDo pala.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. And there, what would we order? I want McFlurry.
Teka lang.
What? Chicken spaghetti, ganun.
Chicken spaghetti tayo or chicken spaghetti?
Yeah. Would you like a burger?
Chicken spaghetti.
Good afternoon, welcome to McDonald's drive-thru.
Hello, dalawang set ng chicken spaghetti.
Solo po.
Ano ba?
Solo po, ma'am.
With drinks po.
And fries po.
And fries, yes.
Okay po. Medium na po ba?
Medium po. And then,
Okay po.
pa-add po ng dalawang McFlurry.
Okay na po.
2 McFlurry with Oreo. Tapos, ano to? Sa tingin mo, dalawa na ba to?
Yung spaghetti at chicken.
Yung McSpaghetti na yan, dalawang order na ba yan?
Yes po.
Ayan. Oh,
Okay na po.
okay.
462 po per window na lang. Salamat.
Okay, salamat. 460.
There. Place the soft opening.
Yung paper.
Yeah, ang galing mo. Paggabi ang bilis niya.
Number 3.
Ano sabigyan ko
Si
naman
Papa mo nalang pa sa'yo.
Oo.
Kinakanta mo na. Magiging tambay tayo dito.
Every night.
Compassionate.
No.
More passion. More yung guard ko.
Ikaw ba si Papa? The party reception booth.
More passion.
Batam's McDonald's is
Ano
open.
ba, hawak mo ba? Yung iyo baka matapon.
Hindi, nandun yung akin.